Hey guys, just want to give you a quick little rundown of this new app called Funnelvio that is a pretty amazing suite of apps for getting your business off the ground. Obviously, we all need to be online, and funnels are a huge part of the success. And right now, Funnelvio, which is a part of Klaviyo, is launching with a one-off investment. So I think it's worth your time taking a look at. I use many apps in my business. I'm not just dependent on one, especially when it comes to funnel apps. And even I have my own in-house app that does funnels, but I mainly use products like ClickFunnels. I've used Convertry a lot. And then my good friend Neil Napier owns Klaviyo and also Funnelvio, which is a new product that just came out today. So I want to make sure that you get the opportunity to get in on this because it has a lot of unique features. When you kind of compare the funnel applications, it really just depends on like what you're trying to do, what you need to do, okay? But if you're looking for something that's going to set you up really, really fast, have a lot of options in there for you to put funnels together. It's kind of like speed. I like speed of implementation. That's what I'm liking about this app. So I wanted to kind of pull you through while I do my own walkthrough here. And you can see I'm putting in my business name, my business URL. The business owner is asking me a few questions, marketing business, and what do you want to create first? So I can create my first company site on Klaviyo, or I can create my first funnel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit funnel, and tell me I've got funnels other places. Let's create my first funnel. Okay, now it's going to ask me what kind of funnel type do I want to build. So nice little walkthrough to get you started. So is it a product launch? Is it a lead gen funnel? Is it a sales funnel? Is it a webinar funnel? Do I need custom funnel, or am I going to import a funnel from somewhere else? So neat little feature there. You can import funnels from other products. Let's just say I want to do a lead funnel. Okay, I'm going to hit next. Now it's going to ask me to customize the funnel. So let's see, we'll do a sales page, and page 2 will be a thank you page. Now I'm going to choose what I want as far as the sales page goes. These are pre-done templates, and then obviously you can do a blank and just start from scratch. But to kind of keep it simple here, I am just going to use, so I'm going to go ahead and select this template. That's a travel agency. They could do productivity coach, keto diet. I think I just like the design, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And test. And that's going to be the name of the funnel and the slug. So it'll be like a / slug. Okay, now it's loading up. Okay, there it goes. So page loaded 150 of 162 elements. Do you want to continue loading? Sure. So a few more things that it needs to load, it said. There it goes. So you can see here now everything is on the page. It appears to be very drag and drop, and it's going to line me up in the center of everything that I'm working on. Okay, and it's telling me like my sizing, so I can probably move this up with the arrow key to try to make it pixel perfect almost. So it's not going to be exactly pixel perfect, but it's off by 1 pixel, so not that big of a deal. Now I can come here and I can hit edit, and I can now change the picture, and of course then it's going to ask me what do I want to change it to. So maybe I want to create, I can go to full media library, but maybe I just want to do it from here. So maybe I want to create a new one that's called logos, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add a logo. Let me just look for one real quick. And by the way, this is really easy. This is the first time I've used it, so you can see I'm already getting it going. So here's a logo I added. Now if I want to add another logo, maybe I do. Let's see. Logo. Okay. So I picked this logo. I'm going to add this one, hit select, and I'm going to make it a little bit um, bigger. Drag it in the middle here. Boom, there it is. So I just want to show you, this is a pretty simple to do, and I can go preview it if I want to. So I can come over here and hit preview, and it's going to show me basically what the page is. So it's like a squared page um, that you'd want to work on. Now, this is just a template, so you can start totally from scratch. And I would say that there's a lot of different options there, but here you can see what it looks like on different size screens. So it's not mobile optimized yet, so obviously it's an important thing to do. Here's basically what your funnel looks like on that, and so let's go back to the editor. On the right hand side, this little hidden item checklist widget, basically these are just different things that are hidden inside of here, maybe more like maybe some suggestions or something. So if I click on one of these, see how it pulls this little please thing, please element. But if I'm like, no, I don't need that, the best thing I'm going to do is just click on this little icon here and hit hide, and it's going to put it back in there as a hide. Okay. All right, so that, let's just say I was happy with this. Obviously, there's a lot of other elements in here I can change around, wherever I decide. Next thing I'm gonna do is basically just publish it and kind of get it ready to go live. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit here to load, and as you can see, it just loaded right up, and it's complete. So publish should be there now, and also want to mention that you can save as draft, you can back up, and then you can preview. So if I want to go ahead and preview that, I can just click the preview button, and there it goes. So it just previews the website for me. Evidently I've got this as sticky on the top, which I'm sure is something easy to fix. It's got my order form on the bottom, so I could pick Stripe, PayPal, Paddle if I had those connected, and what my summary would be. So it's just like a whole sales page on one. Again, it's just a template you totally could build from the ground up. Okay, again, publish there or go back to the editor. So now I'm back in the editor here, and then I can go and play with the next page. If I wanted to load up this next page, I would just load it up like this, and that would be the thank you page. If I want to log out, I can go here and log out. Now, being that this is a new app off of the Kyvio suite, there might be a bug. So I think I just encountered one, and the best thing to do is just go to app. I'm sure this is not a big deal; it'll get fixed. Kyvio, Kyvio.net, which is my login page. Actually, it might take me back to the back end, which is fine. I can show you guys the back end as well. In here, I can go to the dashboard, and the dashboard is going to give me all of my statistics that I'm currently have going on with this. Again, it's a new account, so I don't have a lot to show. Product overview, whatever products I have, I don't have any, but this is if you want to sell products directly utilizing their cart. What orders I have, so if I'm processing orders, if I want to create some coupons, or if I've had coupons being used, I can build them here. I do want to point out one thing though that's really important, a couple things. One is the integrations, and Neil Napier, who is the co-founder of Kyvio, he basically has agreed to do an integration with Segmate. So you're going to see an integration here with Segmate, but I want to show you there's a lot of great integrations here. There's Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, Market Hero, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Funnelvio, Sendio. Then for checkout, if you're using their checkouts, you could do PayPal, Stripe, or Paddle. And then for payment integrations and affiliate platforms, they've got Digistores, ClickBank, JVZoo, ThriveCart, Zaxa, WSO Pro Advanced. And then for webinar integrations, they've got Webinar Jam, GoToWebinar, EverWebinar, Webinar Geo, Demio, and Meetvio. And then they have a lot of SMTP integrations like SendGrid, SparkPost, and then direct SMTP integrations with other providers. And then miscellaneous, they've got Gist, and then they also have Zapier. I believe you'll see the Segmate one here. Because they're in the middle of the launch, they promised it's about a 30-day wait. So in about 30 days, you're going to see Segmate come on here with our suite of tools that you'll be able to integrate directly into your funnels, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's a neat thing. So that they're doing that. And the other thing I want to point out here is the Media Manager and Team Manager. So you can actually give accounts. I believe you can get accounts. Not really sure how to set it up. Okay, this is the media. This is for media that you want to add to there, like your logos and images and stuff like that. And then you got your Team Manager, where you can invite team members to help manage your account from there, which is really, really useful. And let's see if I can find it. There was one other really, really neat thing here that I saw, which was, and I'm not finding it. If you create a new funnel, probably, you can import a funnel from any URL, which is kind of neat. Okay. It doesn't look like it's turned on yet, and they do give you a limited amount of up to 7. I don't know if that's per. Okay, so you would add. There we go. You would add page 1, page 2, page 3, up to 7 pages in a funnel, and then it will import those funnels. So maybe you're using, ClickFunnels or something like that, and you're paying up to $299 a month, and you wanted to move over and save yourself that money. You easily could do that at this low introductory offer. So, I'm going to end on that note. Pretty excited about this. Really cool funnel product. I know Neil has put a lot of work into it. I've known him for many years, and this is literally part of his hallmark product. So I'm looking at this as more of like a lifetime offer versus a JVZoo launch. Because I know what he's put into this software, and I know you're going to get a lot of use out of it, and you have a lot of opportunity here to be extremely profitable. So pick this up, take my recommendation, pick this up during the launch special, and that's it for me. If you have any questions for me, whatever you need, just hit me up. Be glad to answer and help you out. Talk soon.